Welcome back to my channel. My name is King Sam, and I'll be sharing you a brief clip of a recent live class I did with the people from my motion design community. It was held here on YouTube, and I had a lot of questions, and the way I answered them was actually really interesting and it was really good. I said, let me share it to you guys. So I'm going live with my motion design community every Saturday from 8 o'clock Nigerian time. I don't know whatever time to be over on your side, so you can join us, ask me any question. I'll be sure to answer you. So let's jump to the video. So I will tell you about mood board, where I show you guys how I do my ideation process. And when you are doing mood boarding and everything, let me make myself bigger a little bit here. Okay, so when you are doing mood boarding and when you are trying to work on a concept, for example, all you just need to do first of all is think about a story, think about the progression, think about, okay, how am I going to get from A to B? What do I want to show? What kind of message do I want to pass across? So for example, for me and this whole Swiftcast animation, okay, so what is the company? The company is a shopping company that sells gadgets to people. So I need to pass that information to people. So I need my mood board to show it. So when I actually did my mood board, I think I can see my mood board, like not my mood board but my art boards. So when I actually did my art boards here, I can still even show you guys. Thank God it's on my YouTube channel. I can show you guys I can show you the mood board I designed for this. So this is what I wanted to show you. Now, if you can see here, I have like a rough idea of what I want to do. Why? Because it's a shopping site. And now what does a shopping site have? So as a motion designer, a lot of times, okay, I struck Isaka Zida. How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Good evening. I stuck in the middle of A to B. What to include? How the motion will be? Any practice suggestion on that? Okay, so I'm not actually understanding the English here, Sherlock, but okay, so you're stuck in the middle of A to B, like you don't know how to transition, or you don't know how you're going to transition from this to this, or there's an animation that you don't understand, because I don't actually understand it. But let me just keep on explaining what I was saying about the mood board as you're typing a correction to that question. So what I'm saying about the mood board is that first of all, you have to sit down first and get a description of what they want to do, what message they want you to pass across. Do they want to pass across a message of their brand selling something, their brand providing a service, or an item that their brand is actually going to buy or sell? Understand? So if it's about your brand selling, you have to make the animation and the story about the product. Now, if it's going to be a service, for example, you are working for an animation about a company that does IT protection, the animation and everything is going to be based on the service. So you're going to work on the service side of things. You're not going to work on the selling side of things. So what can our product do for you? You understand? Now I was working on a shopping cart, and if you can see the mood board, I think, let me increase the resolution a little bit. Yeah. So let's increase the resolution so you guys can see it a little bit. Now if you look at the mood board, it's very simple. It's showing the ease of use from the shop now. So a mouse comes in, clicks on shop now. Now you have personalized it. You are putting the person in the driving seat. Okay, the person now is the mouse that is going to click on it. So now the person clicks on the shop now. Now in this part now, I want to show variety. So I put multiple dialog boxes here of different products. So there are laptops, there are phones, there are AirPods and everything. I put it here, and I want the person to flip through it. So now I'm telling the story. So you come to our site, you are going to flip through our products, or you are going to flip to what we have for you. Now your mouse, now you find what you want, you click it, you click on buy now. And now when you enter our buy now page, now you can order multiple. So we are not a small business, we're a big business. We can give you multiple products or be multiple variations of what you want. Now this final something here, I wanted to do a processing, like how fast our payment system is. So you come, you buy, it processes fast, and finally I end it short and sweet with the logo reveal. Understand? Now with this simple storyboard like this, now I was able to pass a message that when you come to our site, you can come easily, scroll through multiple products and multiple different things, find what you're looking for, buy it easily, and that's who we are. That's why we are Swiftcart. The link to join my motion design community also is in the video description, so you can come there, say hi, connect with interesting people just like yourself, and I'll catch you in that video. So remember, improve every day, grow constantly, and dream endlessly. Love you guys.